Hey, I'm sorry I haven't really made a video in a while. The camera is broken, so I'm using the computer camera, the UCam. I'm going to be testing Zone 4 and Zone 7, and I'm sorry I can't show you the action going on in the living room because my camera's not working, so I apologize. But next time you will see the alarms in action, I promise. So I'm just gonna operate the alarms now. Sorry, my keys. I'm trying to find which keys. There you go. Now Zone 7. Now I have to reset my panel first. You all have noticed me press the buttons very slowly on my other test, right? Well, that's because I might get shocked by the circuitry. So I gotta be very careful. And I'm not gonna be using the Silent Night panel after 2010. I'm going to be using the 4005, and there'll be more videos coming this way. And yet again, I apologize for no view of action back there. So thank you for watching this video. Read the description.